ISB Road Financial District Gachapalli. So we're gonna travel there. I thought to take my Dominar, but unfortunately I cannot because looks like it's raining still. Because look at the weather, and I don't want to get drenched in this kind of weather if ever it rains. Can you see the rain droplets on the car? Yeah. So, and also the weather. So yeah, this is the reason I don't prefer at this point of time to take my Dominar out. So I just take my book a taxi and visit that place, and we'll see how it goes. I'll update you soon. Peace. Finally reached Driven Cafe, and these are few cars parked outside of it, and they look very awesome. So one day I definitely make sure to keep this in my garage for sure soon in the future. We'll see about that. And I met one of my colleague, and we did had a few coffees. Like I had something like a cappuccino, and my colleague had espresso, I guess. And here is the my cappuccino, which is my favorite hell of a drink. So yeah, and I think it's time to go to Rhinox and buy some stuff. But I think it started to raining at this point of time, so I have to check up on this. And I got this text message saying it's raining. I had a plan to visit one of my friend from Bangalore for an event, but unfortunately I don't think I can meet him with this kind of a weather. So I'm gonna stay in and gonna do nothing. By the way, many people asked me, am I really the host of this podcast? And yes, this is my official podcast, which is available in all major podcasting platforms. You can search the Road Dog podcast, the name says. So you will find this logo, and this is mine. Here I share my thoughts, everything from the medicine to road, everything. Let's just say everything. So yeah, follow there as well. Thank you. Hi, good morning. This is Sunday, I think August 10. This is the final day in Hyderabad. So we're gonna roll now back to Nellore. Yeah. So yesterday it was raining heavily and I was not able to step out for some reasons. That's a bummer. It was wasted, but that's okay. Maybe, oh, there won't be any maybes. I don't think I'll come back to Hyderabad anytime soon, but that's okay. And this is my solo traveling kind of a room, so decent enough. Not bad, not bad. And then for a solo traveler, I think this is decent enough. That's my helmet. That's my Rhinox riding jacket. That's my keys, my phone, my wallet, Insta360 motorcycle handle, gloves. And by the way, I bought this from Blinkit yesterday because I noticed my chain got started to rust. So I think I definitely need to use this now, and it's only 100 ml. I think it will be enough. Anyways, and this is the yesterday I went to Rhinox store to purchase two things, and I'll show it to you in a while. So I bought two things which are very important. Number one is like where is the second thing? Yeah, this is H2 GoPro socks for waterproofing kind of a thing. Decent enough. So it's a size small S. So nothing to be worried about. I think I'm gonna wear this now, and we'll see after riding for 500 kilometers how it holds. I'm gonna wear it now, so nothing to worry. And the one more is balaclava. I used to use this for almost more than 1 year, and it was decent enough for the price, so can't complain much. Decent enough. So I'm gonna wear these two for today's ride as well. I usually wore something else, but it got all saggy over the face. I think the lifespan of it has been exceeded already, so I cannot complain much of it. And this was actually the view. Which is cool, great. And the weather is also, I don't know whether you can see it in the camera. Maybe, yeah. I think the weather is also decent enough. Cloudy weather. I'm not sure whether this is capturing it on the right way, but it's just cloudy right there. It's all cloudy. So yeah, I think it's rained a little bit in this morning as well, but that's okay. I think before the rain gets heavy or it gets started, I think I need to start checking out this hotel and go back to Nellore. Okay, I'll catch you up on the motorcycle. Bye. This is the most hardest part. No GPS, no navigation. That's the hardest part. Especially in 2025, I think at least 400cc bikes should mandatorily come with GPS. Now I have to check my phone again, and I have to stop and then go again listening to the prompts. But I should say that Packdog Edge is really keeping up. But unfortunately, Insta360 X4 and Packdog Edge can be connected only one way, which means if I connect both, you will not hear the motorcycle sound. If I don't connect it, you cannot hear what I am about to say. So it's kind of, but Insta360 X5 has that feature. Maybe someday I'll just upgrade to X5. I think that's actually pretty much best option because I like minimal gadgets as much as possible. So I don't prefer bulky ones at all ever, because I like to carry and I have my camera gear very light as much as possible. It's not that I don't hate them. I don't hate the bigger lens or bigger cameras, but I prefer easy way of carrying things around, so that I will be more focused on traveling rather than thinking about all the gadgets and stuff. But the weather is really good today. I think it's gonna be pleasant, nothing to worry about. So, yeah, this is all Hyderabad. So, enjoy the city vibes. I'll catch you up soon. Good. Let's go to this cafe. Now it's very sunny.
कहाँ भी बसे